Welcome to the headquarters of 1800 Repairs. On this side it's the Mississippi River, and this is our office, and this is one of our headquarters offices. So come on in, I'd like y'all to come meet the 1800 Repairs team. A lot of our contractors that we work with, they'll come in here and we work with them, and we'll do a lot over the phone. We'll help them with their camera-ready art, like their signage and postcards, and a lot of our contractors that's being very successful are doing publications where they simply include 1-800-REPAIRS. This happens to be one of our contractors, Natals, which is one of the top HVAC companies in Louisiana. And they simply put 800 repairs in existing ads, and they get calls all the time. Sometimes the old school ideas are the best. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the best, which is why 1-800-REPAIRS has taken off like a rocket. Because you know what? Where people have to go search online to find contractors, we've eliminated that. All they gotta do is call 1-800-REPAIRS. There's no more searching, there's no more filling out forms and spending 10 minutes trying to figure out who's gonna call you if they do, and you don't know who's even gonna call you. All you gotta do is call 1-800-REPAIRS, and we're gonna instantly connect you to somebody that's local, licensed, and insured. So when you need repairs, guess what? Do it the old school way. Just call 1-800-REPAIRS.